Humanity's conceptualization of the cosmos has never been a static architecture. It represents a dynamic narrative that fractures, adapts, and regenerates with every major observational leap. For centuries, our species operated under the assumption of an unchanging, eternal universe, a belief that unraveled during the early decades of the 20th century. When Edwin Hubble analyzed the redshift of distant nebulae in the 1920s, he fundamentally shattered this ancient paradigm by demonstrating that galaxies were actively receding from one another, establishing that space itself was expanding and suggesting an initial cosmic birth merely a few billion years in the past. Today, through decades of technological refinement, precision measurements of cosmic background radiation, stellar evolutionary tracks, and high-precision galactic redshift mapping have established the age of the universe at approximately 13.8 billion years. Yet, even within our local cosmic neighborhood, fundamental uncertainties persist. Observations of stellar motion along the outer periphery of the Milky Way reveal velocities that defy classical predictions, leading to the long-standing postulation of dark matter, an invisible form of mass that generates gravitational pull without emitting or absorbing light. However, high-precision astrometric data collected by the European Space Agency's Gaia mission, which has mapped nearly 2 billion stars with extraordinary precision, suggests that the Milky Way's total mass may be significantly lower than previously believed. If these measurements hold, our current understanding of dark matter distribution throughout galactic halos is fundamentally incomplete, raising the distinct possibility that the forces shaping galactic structure are far more subtle and complex than our current astrophysical models can fully explain. Venture beyond the boundaries of our home galaxy, and the observational landscape becomes even more profound. Modern space-based observatories possess the unprecedented capability to peer deep into cosmic history, detecting light that has traveled across billions of light-years from galaxies formed merely a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Contrary to traditional models, which posited a slow, hierarchical process where gas clouds gradually coalesced over vast eons, these ultra-distant galaxies appear surprisingly mature, fully assembled, and unexpectedly complex. This early structure challenges the assumption that cosmic evolution was purely gradual, suggesting instead that the early universe was a period of rapid and intense star formation where complexity emerged much sooner than previously believed. Concurrently, the study of exoplanets orbiting distant stars has transformed long-standing questions regarding planetary formation and cosmic chemistry. Among the thousands of exoplanets catalogued across our galaxy, the gas giant WASP 96b stands out as a prime subject of modern atmospheric research. High-precision observations of WASP 96b have unequivocally identified clear signatures of water vapor alongside intricate cloud structures and atmospheric haze. Although this scorching world is far too hot to support life as we know it, the discovery demonstrates something critical: complex atmospheric chemistry is not unique to Earth. It exists across the galaxy, proving that the essential chemical ingredients for habitability may be far more common than once believed and shifting the search for extraterrestrial biology from speculative philosophy into systematic empirical investigation. As empirical data reveals an increasingly intricate cosmos, scientists are compelled to confront questions that push against the traditional limits of observational science. If the conditions for life are widespread across hundreds of billions of star systems, could life itself be widespread as well, perhaps giving rise to intelligent civilizations long before humanity ever began observing the night sky? While science does not yet possess definitive answers, it continues to explore ideas that stretch the boundaries of what is considered real, such as the concept of the multiverse. A prime example is the brown dwarf VHS 1256b. A celestial object sitting in the gray zone between a massive planet and a small star. Webb detected swirling clouds composed of silica dust grains churning throughout its dynamic atmosphere, marking the first discovery of silicate clouds on a substellar object. The instrument also identified a complex chemical mix of water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, sodium, and potassium, providing unprecedented insight into alien weather systems and thermal dynamics. Webb's capacity to analyze galactic structure extends to nearby spiral galaxies as well. Its observations of the Phantom Galaxy, M74, exposed networks of gas and dust lanes illuminated in infrared light. As a central target of the PHANGS project, M74's spiral arms are helping scientists map how energy and matter fuel new generations of stars. Webb's scientific reach extends far beyond deep space, delivering groundbreaking discoveries within our own solar system and illuminating the mysterious mechanics of dark matter. During targeted observations of Titan, Saturn's largest moon and the only world in the solar system besides Earth known to possess liquid lakes and seas, Webb thrilled planetary scientists by capturing active atmospheric cloud formations. Led by researchers such as Dr. Sebastián Rodríguez, the team identified methane clouds hovering over Kraken Mare, Titan's largest liquid hydrocarbon sea. These observations provided critical real-time data on Titan's complex hydrological cycle, where liquid methane rains down onto icy mountains and carves out organic shorelines. Furthermore, as highlighted by Dr. Stephanie Milam, Webb's deputy project scientist for planetary science, the observatory's sensitivity allows scientists to perform atmospheric profiling on a vast catalog of exoplanets while testing fundamental cosmological theories. By observing gravitational lensing effects around galaxy clusters, Webb maps the invisible distribution of dark matter, tracking how this elusive scaffolding dictates the motion, growth, and evolution of visible galaxies across cosmic time. Through peer-reviewed publications spanning planetary science, stellar evolution, and observational cosmology, Webb is systematically decoding the physical processes governing everything from ocean moons in our cosmic backyard to the large-scale distribution of matter in the universe. The cumulative impact of the James Webb Space Telescope represents a monumental leap in human curiosity, technical ingenuity, and scientific achievement. By combining an extraordinary gold-plated optical assembly with cryogenic cooling systems operating near absolute zero, Webb continuously transforms hypothetical models into concrete empirical data. Each dataset returned from this orbital flagship refines our understanding of how cosmic matter transitions from primitive gas clouds into stars, planets, and potentially life-bearing environments. Whether mapping the atmospheric hazes of alien worlds, entangling the violent physics of galactic mergers, or detecting light emitted when the cosmos was in its infancy, Webb acts as humanity's premier sensory extension into the void. As international research teams continue to analyze the massive stream of spectroscopic data flowing from the observatory, the telescope repeatedly proves that the universe is far more complex, dynamic, and interconnected than previously imagined. Webb's ongoing legacy is not merely a collection of breathtaking cosmic portraits, but a profound shift in our relationship with the universe. A journey of continuous discovery that reassures us that as long as we continue to look up and ask fundamental questions, the cosmos will never cease to reveal its deepest secrets.